So, my girlfriend texts me last night, all dramatic, like, we need to talk. Classic setup, right? I'm already rolling my eyes because the last time she needed to talk, she accidentally deleted my Skyrim save file. But nah, this time it's serious. Turns out her study buddy Jake, yeah, the guy who sends her heart emojis at 2 a.m, is just a friend. Right, because we all know friends definitely FaceTime in the middle of the night to discuss geometry. Then she goes, why don't you trust me? And I'm like, girl, I trust you as much as I trust Taco Bell at 3 a.m. Trust fell apart the second my smart fridge started pinging me every time Jake helped you order groceries. Spoiler, the only thing she was restocking was her bad decisions. And get